Okay. Um, for 11, that's an interesting one. We'll have to use a substitution. So I think the substitution we want to go with is sine inverse t, because then that means du would be the derivative, which would be actually 1 over root 1 minus t squared dt. Yeah, okay. So that means this integration would become sine inverse is u, and the t over that is du. So that would be a half u squared t, a half u squared plus c. Okay. For 12, ooh, um, uh, um, hmm. What substitution do I want to make here? Sine inverse again? I think so. U equals sine inverse t. So that means the integration would become du over u. So then that becomes log u plus c. 413, u equals tan inverse 2t. That means du equals 2 tan inverse derivative, which is 1 over 1 plus 4t squared. So the integration so okay, that's a half du equals that. So that would be a half u du. So that would be increase the power by 1, divide by the new power. Okay, 4144. Let's check the answers so far. Oh no, 411. A half. Mm-hmm. Quarter. Mm-hmm. Okay. Same thing here. U equals tan inverse t squared. So du would be 2t times 1 over 1 plus t squared dt. So a half du equals that, which is what we have here. T, oh, I forgot, squared, 4. So the integration is a half u du. So that would be a quarter tan inverse t squared plus c. Whew, 415. U equals sec inverse t over 2. So du is a half sec inverse t over 2. So a 2 du is sec inverse t over 2 dt. So the integration becomes 2 du Sorry. Sorry. A half times 1 over t root t squared minus 1. So 2 du is that, which is, yeah. So that's 2u du. So that is u squared sec inverse t over 2 squared plus c. What did I lose? I lost a 2 somewhere. I lost a 2 somewhere. Did I? T over 2, 1 over 2, sec inverse. Oh, yeah. Du dt is a half, and then that's 1 over t over 2 times root t squared over 4 minus 1. So what I can do is inside here I can factor out a quarter. Hmm. And then root a quarter is a half, so the 2 comes up here. And the 2's cancel, and that 2 comes up, and that goes over there as a half, and bring the dt up. So it's the integration of u and t. That's gone, by the way. Yeah, okay. Du. A half u squared plus c. I'm missing a 2 again. Let me check my software. Okay, let's see. A sec t over 2 over t okay. Yeah, that's my mistake. I'm missing a 2. Am I? Okay, I'm still making a mistake here. Let's try again. U equals sec inverse a half t. So du dt equals a half, and then using this one here, 1 over a half t root a quarter t squared minus 1. So I can take the quarter out, and it'll be root a quarter, which is 1 over 2. A half times a half is a quarter, so that makes it 4 on the top. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So du is that. Or in other words, a half du is that. So it's integrating a half u du, which is a quarter u squared. There we go. Plus c. Okay, 416. Similar again, u equals sec inverse t squared. So that means du is 2t 1 over t squared root t4 minus 1. So a half du equals that, which is, let's see, t squared, the root, and the t. So you would just be left with the integration of a half u du, which is a quarter u power 4, which is a quarter sec inverse t squared plus c. Okay, hopefully they're okay. What answers can I check? 415. Yeah, that's right. So 412. Okay. Okay.